Where am I? Oh, I'm Rivet. That's right. Oh, and then I got... No. No. I can't remember. Give me a minute. There's that. There's that.
This game looks so good.
And then... I thought I already got the... Oh, that's right. I did that. What the fuck am I? What am I doing?
The bane of every video game ever. Welcome
back.
There
you go.
Welcome back to Adventure in Time, everybody. We're playing Ratchet and Clank. We're gonna have fun.
I just needed a minute to get my bearings together.
Yeah.
But yes, I figured it out again. We're finally revisiting this game.
Yeah. It's gonna be way more fun than Street Fighter.
I mean, I would hope so at this point.
Yeah.
But I really love this game, so yes, I'm already 100% agreeing with you. Fuck was I doing? Oh, that's right, I gotta go to the thingies and do the thingies. I could try and get that one.
Any video game ever? I gotta go do the thingies
and get the thingies. Yeah. That's right, Timmy. I got that one. Right?
Oh, hey, what's up, bad guys?
Oh, no, I haven't gotten this one.
Oh, I forgot you changed it to energy drinks.
Yeah!
So, how'd you get to be Gary's apprentice?
Damn.
Hell yeah!
Why do those things make Lombaxes seem way cooler than they look now?
What? Oh, the fucking... The shrines?
Yeah.
Because Lombaxes are cool, Vic. I don't think you understand how cool Lombaxes are.
I mean, in the Ratchet and Clank world.
They're super cool.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I remember how to do this. I gotta start from all the way this way.
Nice.
Oh, wait.
Sig 360.
That? Is it all the way this way? Oh. Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Gotta be quicker than that.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Boom.
No!
Boom.
Oh wait, I got it.
Hell yeah.
Nice. I thought I fucked it up, Vic.
Now you got it?
Hell
Easy.
Yeah. Where do I wanna go now? Oh, hunt for Lombaxes. Return to the monk for... Oh, I can get leg armor. Hell yeah! Where is he? Somewhere around here.
Is that the cool dude that we were talking to?
Shaw, bruh.
Oh, okay, cool.
You know it, bruh. Yeah, this guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of like backtracking and like side questing in this game. It's kind of worth it.
Damn.
I got new boots. They're actually useful here too.
Good luck, brother.
Indigenous creatures.
Yeah, because that's this whole fucking area. Oh, now I just marked them all on the map. There was one right here. Why didn't I just go for that one?
I don't know, man. You're the one that's playing.
Vic, you are screaming at me right now.
Only because I'm so hype about this game.
Oh, okay.
Because it looks so pretty, dude.
Look
Look at those things flying. Look at those things flying.
Look at that shit. It's
Yeah.
fucking beautiful.
Look at
There's
that
a
water.
portal up there. Why can't I? Oh, wait. Oh.
Look at that water.
Yeah. Oh, is that not how I get up there?
I guess not.
Yeah, right. I thought maybe. Oh, I
There's
see.
a ramp.
Yep. Whoa!
There's also
There's a
chasm.
crevasse.
Yeah.
Do 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 do. Yeah. Got it. Is that a thing? Oh, it's a ship. That's an objective. Yeah, let's go.
I've always wondered what secrets laid within these lords.
Look at my sick moves, bro. Oh shit! Oh, I thought that was a crevice.
No, yeah, you good. You got it.
We must save the rest of them.
We're going to.
Whoa, big guy.
Nice. I don't like that. I don't like his bomb maracas that he's covered up with. Look at that. Look at those bomb maracas.
I'm kind of mad I don't have bomb maracas.
Yeah.
Because my maracas would be pretty bomb.
I get it.
Thank you. Oh, wait, no. Just that. That shit.
Oh shit. There's so many. So many people.
Yeah, this game gets hectic. But I like it.
Yeah, dude.
Land so I can fight you! Oh, shit. I don't know if the mic's picking that up, but
No,
it's
but I
awesome.
hope so.
It's the ricochet.
Yeah, get wrecked, dude.
All nefarious forces have been eliminated. Thank you, Ratchet.
Happy to help. And kick nefarious trooper butt.
Ratchet, that terminal. I must access it.
What did it say? Ratchet's talking if you're playing as Rivet.
I'm playing as Ratchet.
Oh. So I can't tell under that armor.
The tail.
Oh.
That's Ratchet's tail.
Oh.
Yeah. That's the giveaway.
What's Rivet's tail?
Like it's more full?
Oh.
If that makes sense? Like it's a full tail? Like how his like has like a little nub
You
at
know
the
what? It
end?
makes sense because it was Ratchet that was talking to Katie.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why I didn't just think of that.
It's
It's
okay.
been a minute since we played.
It's okay, you know, it's okay.
It's been a minute since we played.
Yeah, once you start, like, if I put the same armor on both, it looks only slightly different. But, like, the easiest way to tell is, like, for sure the tail. Look, I freed these boys.
Oh shit.
They've ascended. Take me with you.
Yeah,
Aww.
One more temple.
No rapture for me, Daddy. Oh, there's one all the way this way.
As I said, you should not try to give
Whee!
me a nickname. Or be
Oh, fuck that one up.
my friend.
I think you're being too hard on yourself.
You do not know.
Oh shit, we on a chase.
I know Gary trusts you. The monks like you. Maybe give the whole friendship thing a chance.
I'ma get you.
Clank. He always has my back, no matter what.
Where is he now?
Helping me stop Nefarious.
No sharp turns now.
Split up.
Oh. I am sorry.
Get back.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta stand. Yeah. Okay. Got him. That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna have to fight something.
Sometimes I do.
Yeah.
But I did see this bubble over here. And I want what's in it. If anything. I honestly don't remember if there is. Enemies. Why am I opening this? Oh, there's a crystal in there.
Yeah, Raritanium.
Ow!
Oh, fucking, you got wrecked, dude.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Hell yeah! Still gotta free these boys.
Free the boys.
I don't know if I'm gonna go for all these.
Yeah.
Is it worth me getting them all on the show?
I don't know. What do you get?
Armor.
Oh.
That's pretty much it.
Oh, I don't.
Like, if I free so many, I can go get the chest. If I free them all, I get the helmet.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
Well, this guy ducked into
So many energy
Whoa,
drinks.
whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yeah,
Get wrecked.
has kind of taken over as emperor.
You just gotta keep moving, you know, bobbing and weaving.
Speaking of ratchets, so fucking the 5th anniversary at Big Lou's, right?
Yeah, it's not dating this episode.
No, not at all.
We're fine. It's good. What about it? Ah,
Oh,
shit!
it was fun.
It was really fun.
Yeah,
Had a good time.
me too. I should have just gotten 3 beers at a time.
Yeah, no shit. Like, I didn't think it was gonna become like that.
Yeah,
Even I was like, I'm sorry, man.
it happens. I still have fun.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah, I got to see that girl perform fucking dope ass music. The other girl performed.
Okay, I was about to say, like,
Yeah.
which one?
Yeah.
Like, there's like 3 of them at least I can remember
Yeah.
that like did some dope ass performances.
And the girl that sings the anthem or whatever.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she was dope as fuck.
Yeah. And it was good seeing all of that.
It's a trap.
Still made me feel good when I sang up there and people were like super into it.
Yeah, I think you downplay yourself, man. 'Cause you're awesome.
Oh, thanks, man. I mean, I did whatever I could. I tried to sing like songs that people knew.
Bro, I did Rebel Yell with like some minimal applause, so don't feel too bad about yourself.
Yeah, I was just a bad crowd. You did great.
Yeah, it is what it is. I didn't take it personally. I was just more like, I think everyone's drunk enough and I'm motivated enough to make this happen.
Yeah, yeah, it was super fun. I dug it. Oh, and then I skanked.
Oh yeah, you did. Because that one chick, right?
Yeah, she
I
played
forgot
No
what-
Doubt.
There you go. I was like, I was Gwen Stefani.
Yeah.
No doubt. Yeah, that's right.
It was super fun.
I'm grabbing the chest armor now, so just
Yeah, that was fun. I would do that again and again.
yours.
And again and again and again. Yeah, that was good.
And there was like 2 people there who were like, "Oh my god, you skank it!" And I was like, "Hell yeah!"
You know, hey.
Pick it up.
Definitely skanking. It was awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a good time, man. It was fun.
Can't wait to go and do a show there.
Tune in for that, folks, if it doesn't already happen by the
Yeah,
time.
I know. I don't know when this episode's gonna come out. So.
I don't fucking know either. So maybe by then. Hope you enjoyed it.
Mm-hmm.
Go with those sweet, sweet legs.
Yeah, see, I already got the fucking... It's actually going by a lot quicker than I thought it would. But yeah, I already got the fucking... No. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that looks cool.
Mm-hmm. And if I get the rest, I get the helmet. I mean, they're on the way. That's honestly what I've been doing. I'm like, they're on the way? Oh, can I upgrade anything?
Shields do not get enough love.
Ooh.
Give the void repulsor some sugar and watch as it.
Oh, that was my nickname in high school.
Void Repulsor? Whoa.
No, I'm just kidding.
That's, You alright?
Yeah, no, I was just kidding.
A great deal.
Sure.
I had funds.
Okay.
Yeah. It could have been worse.
It could always be worse.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right on that.
No, it was super good.
I'm literally gonna upgrade just the weapons I enjoy. I'm being selfish. Oh, that's really worth actually getting this one up.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that is practically bursting with power now.
Ah, fuck it. We'll max this one out too. I have enough.
You all come back real soon now.
That one's all the way the fuck over there. Hey, get the fuck off Tinder.
No! I'm actually on the group chat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, what's happening in the group chat?
Just, regular Dan, formerly known as Big Dan, and Randall going at it.
I don't know how that feud started, but it's hilarious.
Yeah.
It just started by them giving each other nicknames. Like,
yeah.
Wow.
I didn't think that'd be such a big deal.
Nope. But I'm happy for everything that's coming out of it.
Yeah. Whoever loses, we win.
That's the way I see it. I'm like, well, I mean, why can't I hold all these lemons?
Whoa.
Oh. Wait.
Oh. You gotta do what it wants you to do.
But I want to do what I want to do.
Too bad.
Well, that's too damn bad. Oh. See it.
Boom.
Got it. There's crystals? Where are the crystals? Oh, fucking right there.
In plain view.
Yeah.
Where are the crystals?
Don't at me, bro.
Don't fall.
I'll be alright.
Okay.
Oh shit, it's this way. Oh, that's why there's all these enemies here.
Get wrecked. Get wrecked.
Can you tell I like using this weapon a lot?
Yeah, dude. Love those bonds.
Mm-hmm. Ow.
Get fucking
chomped.
Yeah.
Get chomped in the dick. What?
Sounds like
Whoa.
a bad time, dude.
Whoa! Whoa!
I would not want to get chomped in the dick.
Not for free, at least.
No. Professionally, maybe.
Maybe. Maybe, though.
I'm gonna regret those words.
I mean, it's a maybe.
It's just a maybe.
No big deal's ever been sold on a maybe. Maybe? Oh, right. Fuck it. They're on the way. Shasha!
Nice.
Got my sick moves, brah.
Got the zoomies and everything.
Fucking, when Milo gets a case of the zoomies, it's intense.
Oh shit.
Like, cause he's always chill as fuck, right?
Yeah.
But when he gets the zoomies, whoa! What am I doing here?
Shooting stuff?
Oh?
Like Simon Says.
Alright. I'm glad I figured that one out.
Sometimes violence is the
I guess sometimes violence is the answer.
Yeah.
Well,
Sometimes you want to break stuff.
it's just one of those days when you want to wake up, when you want to something and everybody sucks.
Everybody sucks.
Oh, I fucked up. Or did I? No. Oh, wait, no, I did. Okay.
Well, hello.
Right? Oh, okay, I can just go this way.
Hey. You can just do what the game wants you to do.
But who knows what that is? Got it.
I'm so glad somebody designed a security protocol
Well, this wasn't open when I fell down here.
that only Lombaxes can clear. What? I'm not talking shit.
Oh. Look, it's not even open again. Save me. How the fuck? Help. Help? Help. Help? Help.
You just gotta go back.
Let's see. Yeah, boy!
Hell yeah, dude. It's like,
Breaking game! Yeah, let's go get this one. Well, actually, I think we're at episode, right?
oh yeah.
Let's get across this bridge first. Well, I don't know what stopped me, but okay.
Who?
Ratchet, you found my apprentice. Ton
Ratchet, you found my
Ready
apprentice.
to enter the Mountain Temple.
Mountain
Nice.
Temple.
Let's go.
Well, you're emotionally ready. You do need to overcome the temple's elaborate defense system, or as we lovingly call it, the Gauntlet of Trial/Doom.
Oh, I hate Slash Doom.
You're ready.
Slash
for it, I'm
Doom?
sure.
Yeah.
Like a new genre.
Best of luck.
Dude. That's like MF Doom's cyberpunk alter ego. Rest in peace.
Alright, so we'll call this episode here, folks.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you next time on this beautiful fucking game.
Goodbye.